Get up close and personal with the dances, music, and costumes of Ukraine. This tour will take you to the very regions where the dances originally came from. Join Ukrainian dancers, instructors, choreographers, and enthusiasts alike from all around the world for a Ukrainian dance experience that you will never forget.
Ти не витягуєш коліна, коли простий.
You will work with choreographers that intimately know the culture behind the dances that we express on stage.
And that's why the costumes in Kutia are differentiated from the Husa costumes.
Наші костюми, спідниці, горбутки довгі.
Ours are longer costumes.
Бо їм не заважає ходити по горах.
Probably because it doesn't bother them they don't get in their way when they're climbing the mountains.
Гуцули.
Ну, зібралися! Раз, два, три, чотири! Оле! Оле! Перше, раз, два!
Тут живе дуже багато етнічних груп,
Here there lives quite a number of different ethnic groups
які дуже різняться між собою.
that are very different from one another.
Гуцули були на горі,
The Hutzels were high up in the
і
mountains,
вони найменше зазнали впливів.
and they felt the influence of these foreign cultures the least.
Гуцульські села мали поганий зв'язок один між одним.
So the Hutzel villages had very difficult communication between each other.
І дотепер,
Even now.
навесні і восени, ми маємо деякі розбиті дороги, що добратися неможливо.
So like even now in the spring and in the fall you have roads that are closed and you just can't get past.
Learn about the folk that make up the regions and understand where the dances came from so that you may understand where they are going.
Запросила гостей.
This has been a sample of the dance experience we had in 2011. Join us in 2012.